to watch another amazing video that I have for you. Thank you for liking, sharing, and subscribing to my channel. I honestly so appreciate it, as my main objective is to empower, to inspire, to share knowledge with all of you. Also, check me out on Instagram down here. I'll leave the link down below for my profile, where I literally post daily pictures and videos on fashion, makeup, wigs, and all the upcoming videos that I'll be making. With that, don't forget to hit the subscribe button down here, as well as little bell, so you are notified when I upload videos every single week. Now, let's get inspired by an amazing pink wig, which, funny enough, literally resembles this exact look that I'm rocking right now, which I am totally in love with. I just did this Fanola temporary 3-wash hair color right here, so do check that out. I'll leave a link down below for that if you want to do something fun with your own hair. I pulled this wig out of the bag and I was like, whoa, 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 whoa. This is almost exactly like my hair color that I'm rocking right now, which I am honestly so in love with. So this wig right here is from Jum Wigs. I've actually done another wig review for them right here, and I'm so excited to give this one a try. This is a really great muted pink option. I mean, I just absolutely love it. I've actually seen this wig for quite some time now, and I've really wanted to try it. So what I'll tell you is that this wig color is actually much better than I initially thought it was online. So it's very hard to see, but I'm gonna show you if you can kind of see. But it has, every strand is a different color. So there's some brighter pieces, there's some neutral pieces, and there's some like platinum ashy pieces in here. So every strand is a different color, so it just looks so extremely natural. And it's 24 inches, so she's pretty long, but she does have these shorter layers right here in the front, which of course is magical for that romantic wavy goodness. And then also what's really fantastic is that she does have a brown root right there. So she's either like a very dark blonde or a very light brown root. So that's very, very exciting. This is just super gorgeous. I literally can't handle it. So let's talk about the construction of this wig. So she does have light lace, really nice. So she has light lace. She does have kind of your classic 2.5-inch parting right here. She also has 2 combs right here in the side, and then also she has 1 comb right here in the middle. She does have a medium cap, so if you require a large head friendly wig, she would work out for you as well. When you get the wig, it's actually really exciting because it also comes with 2 wig caps. So as soon as she arrives, you are ready to go to rock her out. Then also, she does come with a detangling brush right here. Loving that. And then one of my most favorite things that some of these wigs are coming with is a band. So it comes with a band with two combs right here. So if you do, of course, want to sew this in to the wig, you can have this beautifully secured on your head. So that's so exciting that it comes with the band already. This wig is heat safe up to 160 degrees Celsius or 320 degrees Fahrenheit. So let's put this girl on. I will be using a wig cap that I have in nude, which I got from Amazon. I'll leave the link down below for this. I got a 10-pack for $5.99. I really like these wig caps. Definitely always good to have lots of them. All right, I put my wigs on front to back. Oh my goodness, I am already falling in love with this girl. I'm gonna come up a little bit so you can take a look at the hairline. So of course, gluing her down would be optimal for your most amazing wig life right here, but not bad. Of course, you know, plucking her even more would be the key to your wig success, but you just do whatever you'd like to do. So I am going to cut off the lace really quick here with a pair of scissors. I think I have just entered a place called Muted Pink Heaven. I am in love with this beautifully long, luxurious style right here. These soft, sweeping curls. And I'm just loving it. So like I said, 24 inches right here. So let's move her around and see what kind of look she will give by giving her a little scooch over to my left eyebrow, which is my usual parting for my hair. Oh yeah, I'm totally digging this. I mean, is this wrong? No, I absolutely love this look right here. Definitely a look that my hair could never do if I really tried. So this is really great. Love, love this. Okay, so let's also move it to the other eyebrow and see what's going on. This is not bad. Almost a very similar look on this side, which is great for all your parting needs. Gluing her down, like I mentioned before, would be optimal for flipping her around. But let's just see by me flipping it around, not glued, what's gonna happen here. Oh yeah, whoa, whoa, whoa. Hello, lady. I love this. So in love. Okay, let's flip it on this side. I mean, definitely a voluminous look. Again, like this is called dream hair, if you ask me. Really in love with flipping this wig around. Like, I feel like no matter what way you part it, it is gonna look gorgeous. Absolutely, I'm in love with this wig and I'm gonna wear it all day long. I'm going to Costco today, so watch out, Costco. So let me know if you have a muted pink wig like this, or if you have this wig. I would love to know, and I would seriously love to see you in your favorite pink looks. Let's all empower each other to be the best that we can be, because remember, it is your right every single day of your life to be as fabulous as you want to be. So if you feel fabulous and amazing in this muted pink gorgeous wig, wear it. Wear it, love it, own it, and feel it. And I want to thank you, and we will see you